TikTok just released a massive algorithm update that completely changes what time you should be posting, what hashtags you should be using, what length you should be creating videos, what features you should be using, and so much more. And if you're seeing a decrease in the amount of reach that you're getting, it could be because of these changes, but don't worry, because if you simply make these changes without skipping any of them, it's easier to grow on TikTok right now than ever before, and it's way easier to get monetized. In fact, I just helped this creator gain over 50,000 followers, this creator over 80,000 followers, and this creator over 100,000 followers. Now every single one of them could make a full-time living simply by uploading to TikTok. So the first change that you need to be adjusting to is the time that you should be posting on TikTok. And there are now 3 new times. Before I dive into them, I need to outline a few rules when it comes to posting times on TikTok. First and foremost, these are going to be for the time zone in which you are currently located. I'm not sure if you've traveled recently, but if you have, I'm sure you've experienced this. Now you get shown content by creators in that location or about things in that location. The reason for this is because TikTok is geo-focused, and that's why you need to be posting at the times I'm going to share with you for the specific time zone you are currently located in. In addition to that, you need to make sure that you wait at least 1 hour in between posts on TikTok. If you don't, it's going to make your posts ineligible for the For You page, and it could be decreasing the reach that you get. So here are the 3 times that you should be posting at, and by the way, the last one makes the most small accounts go viral. The first posting time is going to be from 11 a.m. to noon. The second from 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then finally from 7 to 9 p.m. Now what I would recommend that you do is you would post in the first time slot, in the second, in the third, and then in the first again, and then in the second, and then in the third, and you want to do that for 5 different cycles through that. So for 15 posts, you want to be testing what time you're posting on TikTok, and then from there, this is going to reveal to you the best time to post for your specific niche. But we can't stop there because I also need to make sure that you're using the right hashtags. When it comes to hashtags, you need to make sure you're using the most relevant hashtags and the biggest hashtags, because if you use irrelevant hashtags, your content's going to get shown to the wrong people. Then as a result, TikTok's going to think that your viewers or the people viewing your content don't actually like it, and this is why your videos are going to get stuck at less than 1,000 views. On top of that, if you use small hashtags, guess what TikTok thinks? TikTok thinks there's not a large audience for the content you're creating, and then as a result, you don't get the views that you want. In addition to that, there are 4 hashtag strategies you need to make sure that you're sticking to, and similar to the posting times on TikTok, you want to make sure that you cycle through these 5 times and then look at which one of them actually allows you to get the most reach, and then I would use that one the majority of the time. So the first hashtag strategy is going to be 12 hashtags. The second is going to be 3 to 4 hashtags. The third, 1 to 2 hashtags, and then finally 5 to 6 hashtags. And that last hashtag strategy makes the most small accounts on TikTok end up going viral. Now there are still several other things that we need to get through, like what kind of content you should be uploading, what length you should be creating your content, and so many other changes to the TikTok algorithm. But before we get into those, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, because I literally upload videos every single day about how to grow on these platforms, and you're not going to want to miss them. In addition to that, I just created a free TikTok growth course. You can get it at the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like how to monetize your TikTok and how to turn your viewers into followers. And what are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Just go to that pinned comment below. Now this brings me to the next topic, which is going to be deciding what you are going to post about on TikTok, because the topic that you post about is going to have a drastic effect on how many views you get. In fact, you could make an equal video, the same quality, the same length, the same all of that, but if one of your videos has a way larger audience for it, guess what ends up happening? That video is going to get more reach, and this is probably what's happening between you and your competitors. And by the way, literally a 1-word difference in the hook of your video, the description, the tags, or the transcript and voiceover of your video could be the difference between your video going viral or not going viral. So the first thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is you need to come to TikTok.com and you need to make sure that you are coming into this explore page right here. This is going to reveal to you what is trending for your specific niche. In fact, if we go into all these, they're going to be the things that are trending in these specific niches. And what you need to make sure you do is create content on these same topics. In addition to that, if you go to do a search for something on TikTok right here, what this is going to reveal to you is other things that are trending. For example, Capri teeth trend, or TikTok trend dances, or tornado outbreaks. In fact, if we click on this, what this is going to reveal to us is a bunch of different trending videos. And if you aren't doing this every time you go to upload on TikTok, it's the reason you're not getting the reach that you want. So as we can see, this video went viral. This video went viral. This video went viral. This video went viral. This video went viral, and all of that happened literally in the last 24 hours, which means this is a trending topic. So if you make a video on this topic, it's going to increase the reach that it gets. In addition to that, when you have ideas for TikToks, you need to make sure that you're coming over here and you're typing in the text that you're going to put on the hook, or at least the keyword that you are going to put in the hook. And then as you could see here, these show this red arrow right here, which means more people are interacting with it. And as you engage with those, this is just going to show you more and more trending stuff. And you need to make sure that you are paying attention to this, because if you don't pay attention to this on TikTok, what's going to end up happening is you're going to be creating content on topics that they don't have a large audience for. And then guess what ends up happening? You don't get the views that you want. In addition to that, these creators that you find under this explore feed right here, you need to make sure that you're coming and checking out the rest of their posts, because they may have a bunch of other posts that are trending. And this is going to reveal to you what sounds are working right now, what lengths are working right now, what hooks are working right now, what formats are working right now. And this is a huge cheat code if you want to increase the reach that you get, because you need to understand how TikTok actually works. This is exactly how the algorithm works. They want to show you more content that looks like the content that you have interacted with before in the past. And that's not only happening to you, that is also happening to your ideal viewer. So if you want to reach your ideal viewer, what you need to understand is what are they interacting with. These are going to be certain formats. These are going to be certain topics. These are going to be certain lengths, certain hooks. And then if you simply hop on those trends, TikTok is going to increase your reach. In addition to that, I really want to reveal to you right now exactly what TikTok is actually analyzing when you upload something in order to determine whether or not your video should get pushed out. So if we come over here right now and we come down here to iPhone 17 Ultra rumored. So if we click on this right here, TikTok says that this is trending, but we still need to confirm that. And what we could see right here is that this is actually not really trending that much. So there are a lot of recent videos, but a lot of them are not getting the reach that you think that they should get. So you would not make videos on this. And if we could see 90 likes, 30 likes, 6 likes, 10 likes, 31,000 likes, so this one went viral, but the far majority of videos didn't go viral. So if you were in the niche of creating content like this, for example, tech reviews, I would probably try to find something else to make a video about, because there's only one video that went viral here. Now, let's say that we were actually going to look at this video right here. What we would do is we would want to see exactly what this creator did. So as we could see here, it says iPhone 17 in the description. In addition, it says iPhone in the hashtag. In addition to that, it said iPhone in the actual hook of this video. We could see that this video is 1 minute and 10 seconds right here. And as we can see, we have Apple, we have the iPhone actually showing. And if we scroll through the comments, we're going to see a bunch of people commenting Apple and a bunch of people commenting iPhone. Now this, what TikTok is actually looking for. You need to say the keyword in the transcript. You need to be showing the keyword on the screen. The keyword needs to show up in your description, in your hashtags, and in the comment sections. And then as a result, TikTok is going to understand who to actually show your content to. The other thing that they're looking at is the length of content. So if you were going to make a video on this topic or some theoretical topic within your niche, your video shouldn't be 15 seconds long. Your video shouldn't be 40 seconds long. Your video shouldn't be 2 minutes long. It should be around 1 minute and 10 seconds long. Why? Because what TikTok is doing is matching up both topics and formats with the viewers that watch those topics and formats. So people that watch this video, and this video went viral, engaged with videos over 1 minute long in this format. So if your video that you do on this topic is not around this length, isn't in this format, and doesn't have all the other things that I shared with you, guess what? TikTok won't push it out. In addition to that, you need to make sure that you are focused on what things people are commenting. In fact, if you look at your analytics right now, you are going to see this metric. And this metric is incredibly revealing and incredibly important, because what this shows is that TikTok is looking at the keywords that your ideal audience is commenting in your videos in order to determine who they should show your content to. So you need to make sure that you are getting people to comment, or you are commenting back to people with the keywords that are showing in the hook of your content, in the description of your content, in your hashtags, and in your voiceover. Because what that is going to do is signal to the TikTok algorithm that that is a good post for that specific topic. And if that topic is trending, guess what ends up happening? Your video is going to go viral, and then as a result, you are going to grow faster on TikTok right now. I cannot emphasize this enough. If right now you are just stuck on recreating the wheel on TikTok, it's why you see other accounts growing faster than you. It's why you see other accounts with less followers getting more views. If you simply stop doing that and start looking looking at TikTok as, hey, what is my ideal audience interacting with right now? How can I create content like that? And then you consistently do that. Guess what's going to happen? You are going to grow faster on TikTok. You are going to get more views on TikTok. And you are also going to be able to make a full-time living on TikTok simply by uploading videos, because right now is the golden age for getting paid on TikTok. Now, if you want to work together one-on-one in order to grow faster on TikTok, the same way I helped this creator gain over 50,000 followers, this creator over 80,000, and this creator over 100,000, well, please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last for forever. And the only two things holding you back from getting the followers that you deserve right now on TikTok and the followers that you want is, one, you haven't implemented the steps that I share with you in this video to help you get more followers, and two, you haven't gotten into my TikTok mentorship program yet, where I literally am going to guarantee that I help you get more followers in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. And the way that this works is I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more followers in the next 30 days. If that sounds interesting, then please go to the link in the description below and get signed up right now. The average person that's gone through this program has gained over 50,000 followers, and nobody has ever gone through it and gained less than 6,500 followers if they implemented everything that I share with them. And since you're still watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're above average. So the odds of you gaining over 50,000 followers is probably quite high. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is going to help you get more results faster and easier. If you're struggling right now to grow on TikTok, you need to get into this, because every single day that you wait, it's only going to get harder to grow. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're going to get more followers on TikTok, or you're going to get your money back. In fact, this creator just went through this program and gained over 10 million followers. This creator over 14 million, and this creator over 16 million. And I want you to be my next success story. So please stop procrastinating, invest in yourself now, and get the TikTok followers that ultimately you deserve. Or I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.